The general public in which we live decides everything from the food we eat to the decisions we make. The word society comes from the Latin root socius, signifying buddy or being with others. A general public comprises of individuals who share a region, who communicate with one another, and who share a culture. A few social orders are, indeed, gatherings of individuals joined by fellowship or normal interests. Our particular social orders show us how to act, what to accept, and how we'll be rebuffed in the event that we don't keep the laws or customs set up. Furthermore, a society is a gathering of individuals whose individuals associate, dwell in a quantifiable region, and offer a culture. What's more, a society is a social framework that shares a topographical domain, a typical culture, and a lifestyle. As per Auguste Comte, it came from the Latin word socius, which means buddy, partner, accomplice, or mate, or social being with others, and the Greek word logos or logos, which intends to contemplate. Likewise, the humanist Timothy Smith characterizes society as the continuous concerting and organizing of people's exercises. Sociologists utilize this term from a particular perspective and in an exact manner. In sociology, since the 19th century, there is a long discussion about the utilization of the idea society. It was interpreted as meaning as tissues of habits and customs that hold a gathering of individuals together. In some sense, society addressed something more suffering and more profound than the states, less manipulative and absolutely subtler. Sociologists have characterized society with 2 points. 1. In conceptual terms, as an organization of connections between individuals or between gatherings. 2. In substantial terms, as an assortment of individuals or an association of people. Defining this definition, McKeever, alongside his co-essayist Charles Page, later on characterized it in his new book Society. An introductory analysis in 1949 subsequently. Its society is an arrangement of uses and techniques, of power and shared guide, of numerous groupings and divisions, of controls of human conduct and of freedoms, this steadily changing, complex framework we call society. For McKeever and Page, society is a theoretical element, as they state. We might see individuals, yet can't see society or social construction, however, just its outer angles. Society is unmistakable from actual reality. Auguste Comte, I am the founder of sociology. I coined the word sociology from the Latin word socius and the Greek word logos to describe the science of social life. Society is something other than the sum of individual actions. Karl Marx, I developed a complex theory of history and society, which has great influence the modern sociology. 3 of my contributions to social theories are: 1. The organic totality of society, 2. The relative importance of the economic sector, and 3. The historical process. Society was the patterned interactions among members of a group, the sum of responses to ordinary life events. Society is abstract. In case society is seen as web of social relationships, it is particular from actual element which we can see and see through faculties. Likeness and difference in society. Society involves both likeness and difference. If people are all exactly alike, merely alike, their relationships would be limited. There would be little give and take and little reciprocity. Cooperation, conflict in society. Collaboration and struggle are general components in human existence. Society depends on cooperation, but since of interior contrasts, there is struggle likewise among its individuals. Society is a process, not a product. Society exists just as a period arrangement. It is becoming, not a being. An interaction and not an item. Society is a system of stratification. Society gives an arrangement of definition of situations with classes that every individual has a moderately steady and unmistakable situation in the social construction.